We are flying.
Sky. The sky is blue. Land. Grass.
The grass is green.
Nature.
Look, the nature is beautiful.
Flowers.
There are many flowers.
Sun.
The sun is shining brightly.
Mountain.
The mountain is very high.
The jungle.
We are in the jungle.
Ground.
Oh, the ground is wet. Where is the sun?
There are lots of tall trees. We can't see the sun.
Forest.
Look, we are in the forest. We can see many trees here.
Yes, Mira, watch out. There are many animals. It's a bear behind the tree.
And there is a fox and a wolf.
Mira, let's go faster.
Desert.
Whoa, we are in the desert.
It's so hot here.
Sand.
The sand is everywhere.
Sea.
The sea is deep.
Island.
The island is small and round.
River.
The river is narrow.
Lake.
The lake is like a mirror.
Waterfall.
Look, the water is falling.
Review. Let's repeat the words. Sun, ground, sky. Land. Grass. Flowers. Mountain. Forest. Jungle. Desert. Sea. Island. Lake. River. Sand. Waterfall.